Hey everybody, this is Mark with Ehuayu, the company that makes the new Chinese language learning app available in the Google Play Store for Android devices. I'm here to tell you about how easy it is to use their new app. So let's get started. First, let's just go ahead and start the app. There it is. We're on the opening screen. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Now, I want to say something quickly about that. There's an advantage here to logging in because multiple people can use this app on a single device and have their own progress kept track of. Also, you can log into other devices that have this app installed and you can basically continue your progress on the other app. Very convenient. So let's go ahead and log in. Now, as you can see on this new opening screen, this has all the different courses available. Now, the thing about this, though, and there's also quizzes too, you do have to actually progress through each of these levels in order to get to the end. So let's start with basics. Let's go in. Now, as you can see, there's a photograph here of a little boy. All you do is match the English word with the little boy. And you continue to the next screen. And now it's asking you to put together a sentence. Now, I know that you haven't learned some of these other words yet, but just keep in mind that this app has a unique way of putting this all together so that this is all going to make sense the further you get through it. So it's all part of their unique teaching method. So, and for now, we don't know what all these words mean in Chinese over here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the light bulb, which is the tip area, and we're going to tap that just to see what it is. It says, I am a boy. And by the way, I can also go over here to the speaker, tap that,
我是男孩，
and you get to hear the Chinese pronunciation of that sentence. Again,
我是男孩，
okay? So it's I am a boy. Next screen. And then over here, this is their version of basically phonetic spellings. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the speaker right here to hear how that sounds.
男孩，
Again,
男孩，
and I'm just going to tap the one I think it sounds like. Easy, right? Continue. Then I'm just going to match the picture with that word. See, there's the word up at the top. And now I'm going to go ahead and select. We know that Nanhai is boy, so I'm going to select boy.
男孩，
And again, this is simple learning, but something about it gets you to retain this stuff quicker and easier. And then again, this is the Chinese word, the spelling. I'm going to tap the speaker to hear what that sounds like.
男孩，
If I forgot something, I can go over here to the tips, tap it, boy, tap the picture of the boy,
男孩，
continue. And then over here, it's matched the Chinese word. So if I don't remember what that is, again, I'm just going to tap this tip over here. Okay. And then I'm going to go to boy,
男孩，
continue. Now I'm going to spell out I am a boy. So if I'm not sure about that, again, it's the tip. I am a boy. And again, even though it hasn't taught you all those words yet, this method somehow gets you to retain this information pretty fast. I don't
我
I don't fully understand it, but it just seems to work because I've only been using this for 2 months.
是男孩，
Okay? And then over here, we're matching English words to Chinese words. I,
我
and then boy,
男孩，
girl,
女孩，
and then over here, it's kind of the same idea, except you're kind of just matching it a little differently. So we're saying, they're calling it line the pair, so I'm going
我
I, and then we're going girl,
女孩，
boy,
男孩，
and then over here, we're dragging the words.
女孩， 男孩，
Really easy, right? Very simple, great for people of all ages. And again, the English word to the Chinese word. Okay, so it's loading the next screen there. Now this is good because you get to very easily be able to learn how to write these words by just following what's on the screen there. See that? If you make a mistake, like I just did, it tells you how you're supposed to actually draw the whole thing because there actually is an order to it that you're supposed to follow. And if, as you can see on the top there, it shows you the definition of the word, and you can tap the speaker here to hear what it sounds like.
我
See?
我
Now this screen, this is really great because not only are you learning how to read and write these words, you're learning how to properly pronounce it. So over here, there's a speaker. You get to hear what the word sounds like. Over here, you get to go ahead and when you're ready, you get to tap that microphone so that the app can listen to see if you're saying the word properly. So let's go ahead and tap that speaker.
南海
Okay, so again,
南海
now I'm going to tap it and I'm going to say it. Nanhai. And then we just wait a moment. We got it. And then basically it goes into the same thing with the next major item, which in this case is the girl. So it's asking us to match this button with the picture. And then now it's saying, so if we're not sure what to do with this, we just go ahead and tap the tip right there. It says, I am a girl. And then I can also hear what that sounds like.
我是女孩
See?
我是女孩
And then I'm going to say, I am a girl. Easy, right? And then again, they're giving you their version of phonetic spelling. So I'm going to listen to it over here by tapping that speaker.
女孩
And I selected the right one. And again, it's saying you're going to match this word with the picture.
女孩
See how easy that is? I can hear what it sounds like.
女孩女孩
Okay, so basically, as you can tell here, it's kind of taking you along. The same thing for new words. Another thing that's nice about this that could keep this competitive for those that like to stay competitive and maybe almost make it game-like is to go into this leaderboard here. And in there, you get to see how you fare against other people that are playing online because it's keeping track of this stuff online on their servers. See? All these different people are using this app so far, and as you're making progress, you get to see if you're going to kind of move up the list yourself to see who's learning the fastest and maybe the most efficient. So anyways, that's it for today. Go ahead and, download this on the Google Play Store, give it a try, and start learning Chinese today.